Hi, welcome to all of you. In this video, I am going to explain what is inverse of a matrix. In last video, we have seen that if you have any real number x, there will be a real number a. If you multiply with x, you will get 1. So in this case, we can say that a is the inverse of x. For example, if you have a 6, so there will be a one real number. If you multiply with 6, it will give you 1. So what is that real number? That is 1 by 6. So every real number will have a inverse of that number which will produce 1 except 0. 0 does not have an inverse, because if you multiply any real number with 0, it will give you 0, not 1. So this is not a inverse. It's not inverse. So let's see today the topic which I would like to highlight here, inverse of matrix. So some properties are there. We can do the inverse for those matrix only which are a square. We cannot do inverse for rectangular matrix. So a square matrix, it could be 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4. So the property of a square matrix is the row and column would be same. So here it is 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. So if you have matrix like that, we cannot find the inverse of this kind of matrix. So the square matrix only invertible or non-invertible. So if you have a square matrix, then we need to check whether that square matrix is invertible or non-invertible. If you do not have a square matrix, if you have rectangular matrix like that, straight way we can say that that is not invertible. So let's see this one example and properties of that, if the square matrix is invertible or not. So in last video we have seen that if you have a matrix, any matrix 2 cross 2, and if determinant of this particular matrix A is not equal to 0, then we can say that matrix A is invertible. If determinant of A equal to 0, then it is non-invertible. Another property is that if you have a matrix A and inverse of A is B, then B dot A equal to 1. So in this scenario we can say that the B is the inverse of A, here A is the inverse of B, and then it will produce identity matrix. So this is identity matrix. This is I. And identity matrix for 2 cross 2 is 1 0 0 1. For 3 by 3 it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So the principal diagonal element will be 1 and others would be 0. And we denote inverse like this: A inverse, B inverse. So let's take one example to prove this one. So let's suppose A equal to 2 3 1 2 and B equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. So let's prove that B is the inverse of A. So the property of this A and this is B. So we have a inverse of A, so that means the determinant of A not equal to 0. If it is 0, then we will not have inverse. Here we will have inverse. So what is the determinant of A? 2 cross 2 minus 3 cross 1, which is nothing but 4 minus 3, which is 1. This is not equal to 0. That means we will have a inverse of A, which is nothing but, this is the inverse of, we will see how to calculate the inverse of any matrix, as any square matrix, but let's prove this one. This is the inverse of A. So if B is the inverse of A, then AB equal to BA equal to, should be identity matrix. So let's prove this part. Let's calculate this. So first of all, let's calculate AB. So what is the value of this? If you calculate AB, this is the one row, second row, one column, second column. So what is the value of 1 1? It's nothing but take the first row, multiply with the first column. So 2 cross 2 plus 3 cross minus 1, which is nothing but 4 minus 3, 1. So this is the 1. What is the value of 1 2? So take the first row, multiply with second column. So 2 cross minus 3 plus 3 cross 2, which is nothing but minus 6 plus 6, it will be cancelled, it will give 0. So here it is 0. What is the value of 2 1? Take the first row of A and then multiply with the first column of B. So which is nothing but 1 cross 2 plus 2 cross minus 1, which is 2 minus 2. Cancel it, 0. So this is 0. What is the value of 2 2? Take the second row of matrix A and multiply with the second column of matrix B. So which is 1 minus 3 plus 2 cross 2, which is minus 3 plus 4, which is 1. So here 1. So this is identity matrix, we got it. Now let's prove that B A. So what would be the value of this one? Similarly you do this one, 1 1 1 2 2 1 and calculate this value. So you can calculate this particular value. So it will come 1, this will come 0, this will come again 0 and this will come 1. So it will be here 1 0 0 1. So the way we have calculated this AB, you just calculate BA. So this will also give a identity matrix. So we have proved that AB equal to BA equal to identity matrix. So B is the inverse of A. In this case, A is the inverse of B. You can prove this also if 1 by 4 is the inverse of 4, so it will give 1. Similarly, 4 is the inverse of 1 by 4 because it will also give 1. So same thing applies in this also. So let's go and find out how to find out the inverse of a matrix. So I will be explaining how to calculate the inverse of a matrix. So let's see how to calculate the inverse of a matrix. So if any matrix of form 2 cross 2 is given to you, so let's suppose A equal to A, B, C, D, then A inverse is nothing but it's a shortcut, 1 divided by AD minus BC, and then interchange the principal diagonal element, so it is D A minus C minus B. So let's take one example for this. So if A equal to 3, 2, 1, 2. So let's calculate this one. AD, which is, this is A, this is B, C, D. So 3 cross 2 minus 2 cross 1, and then this is 2, 3 minus 1 minus 2, which is nothing but 1 divided by 6 minus 2. This is 2 minus 2 minus 1, 3. So this is 1 by 4, 2 minus 2 minus 1, 3. So divide this one, 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. So 2, here also 2. So the resulting matrix is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, and this is 3 by 4. So this is nothing but A inverse. So if you want to prove that it is A inverse, what to do? A dot A inverse should be identity matrix. Identity matrix is nothing but A0, 0, 1. So let's prove that A is 3, 2, 1, 2, and A inverse is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Just multiply this. So I will show you one element, and then you can multiply for others. You will get this one. So for 1, 1, row number 1 and second column number 1, it is nothing but 3 cross 1 by 2 plus 2 cross minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is 2, 3 minus 1. This will give you 3 minus 1, 2 divided by 2. So this is 1. So here it will come 1. So if you do similarly for 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, so you will get 1, 0, 0, 1. So it is, hence it is proved that it's a inverse of matrix. So let's go and calculate for inverse of matrix for 3 cross 3. So there is a shortcut for this also. So let me explain that shortcut for that. So let's take one example for this. So we have matrix A, which is nothing but 1, 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 4, 3, 1, and we have to find out A inverse. So for this also there is a shortcut. So shortcut is A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So this is determinant of A. So let's find out the adjoint of A by shortcut method. So first of all, we have to write in this matrix A in different format. So the format is that, write this one first row like that. So it is 1, 1, 3, 0, 1. How I have done it? I have taken this 1, then 3, then 0, then again 1. So first place this, second place this, third place this, and again at fourth place this. So 1, 3, 0, 1. Similarly you do for this 2, 0, 1. So it will be 0, 1, 2, 0. Then you do for this one 3, 4, 1, 3, and then again you come here second one, this one, and just write this here. So it is 1, 3, 0, 1. So I have converted this matrix to this one. Now adjoint of matrix is take the determinant of this, then this, then this. Similarly, you do for this, then this determinant and this one. Then you do determinant for this, calculate this, then this one, and then again this one. So the value would be -2, 5, -2, -3, -7, 5, 5, -3 and 1. So this is the adjoint of A. Now let's find the determinant of A. So finding of determinant of A is also a shortcut. So take the first row of matrix A and first column of matrix adjoint A. So you take this one and this one from adjoint A and multiply it. Do the multiplication. So it is nothing but 1 cross -2 plus 0 cross -3 plus 2 cross 5, which is nothing but -2. This will be 0 and this is 10. This is finally 8. So what is A inverse? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So adjoint of A is this. So we have -2, 5, -2, -3, -7, 5, 5, -3 and then 1, and then 1 by 8, which is nothing but this. So what is the matrix? -2 by 8, 5 by 8, -2 by 8, -3 by 8, -7 by 8, 5 by 8, then again 5 by 8, -3 by 8 and 1 by 8. So if you solve this, this is 4, this is also 4. So the final matrix would be -1 by 4, 5 by 8, -1 by 4, then -3 by 8, -7 by 8, 5 by 8, 5 by 8, -3 by 8 and 1 by 8. So this is the final A inverse. So if you multiply this A inverse with A, you will get a identity matrix, which is in the form of 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So you just multiply it, matrix multiplication, just and then proof it. So I have explained what is the inverse of matrix and how to calculate the inverse of matrix. So that's it for now. If you have any question, please put it in comment box. I will try to answer as much as possible.